Hello everyone. Today I have come with the current affairs of August. The first is missions and inaugurations. Modi ji inaugurated the new building of Supreme Court of Mauritius. Capital of Mauritius, Port Louis. Currency, Mauritian rupee and Prime Minister Pravind Jugnauth. India take part in Kafkas 2020 in Russia. It is a bilateral and a multilateral project. Recently, after a successful landing on Mars, which space agency has decided to launch Perseverance? Rover Space Agency, NASA. The full form of NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Agency. Headquarter, Washington, D.C. Established in 1958. NASA has sent 5 helicopters to Mars. Name the rover of it. Perseverance. UAE was the first and the name was Hope. China, Tianwen. Ancient life of Mars will be examined. London Jeep are the 5 rifle included in India from Russia. Recently, the government has imposed safeguard duty on solar cells till July 2021. International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor is set up in France, headquarters Paris. UAE is starting its first nuclear power plant. Land-based ballistic missiles launched in Iran. First Arab country to start nuclear energy plant, UAE. SpaceX and NASA crew is back home. They landed in Gulf of Mexico on the coast of Pensacola, Florida after 64 days. The process is known as splashdown. Army 2020 International Military and Technical Forum took place in Moscow, Russia. First private rocket successful trial, Skyroot Aerospace. Global team of scientists discovered UCC galaxies using India's Astrosat launched in 2017. COVID news. State which plan to open all the religious institution. Rajasthan. Mobile COVID-19 testing. Telangana. Life Sciences Park will be in Karnataka. Ek Mask, Anek Zindagi. MP which report says that 2.2 crore children in South Asia are deprived of basic education, UNICEF. 12 Amrit Pharmacy were established in Jammu and Kashmir. ICMR seeks DRDO for research coordination in saliva test. Sanjeevan app was launched in Bihar. EVIN Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network has launched essential immunization service during COVID. Serum Institute of India in collaboration with Gavi for vaccine facility to lower and middle income group. World's first COVID vaccine to be called Sputnik 5. This antigen will immune us from COVID. ICMR has suggested gargled water as an alternative for swab. Environment. UP broke record of tree plantation. Chhattisgarh government to give urban lands to the tribals. Modi ji decided to give 1 lakh in agricultural infrastructure fund. Level of nitrogen has reduced by 70% in Delhi. Memorandum of Understanding was signed with IIT Bombay for smog tower. Green Agriculture Initiative has been started in Mizoram. Zora Mega Food Park has also started in Mizoram. Elect project and 745 megawatt natural gas has combined Elect project with ADB in Bangladesh. Central government and World Bank collaborated to give usable land to 1100 acre to the tribals. The name of the tribe is Bihar. Under Prime Minister Kisan Samman Nidhi, 8.5 crore farmers will get 17,000 crores. Ecuador has expressed discomfort over flotilla of 260 Chinese fishing vessels near the Galapagos archipelago. 23 urban towns have pledged for open defecation free. According to a new study by University of Toronto, Arctic bear will disappear soon. Orissa's village is the first that is ready to face tsunami. Electric vehicle policy will be initiated in Delhi to reduce pollution. Dragonfly Festival, Kerala. Nuakhai Festival, Orissa. Land Grabbing Prohibition Act, Gujarat. Bioflag fishing system, Orissa. Longest ropeway was inaugurated in Assam. Rankings. Which state ranked highest in aspiring district list? Chhattisgarh. And the places? Bijapur. What is India's rank in arms export? 23. Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu rank among the highest. Name the top 3 players in 70th Grand Prix. Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton and Valtteri Bottas. National Cancer Registration Program has predicted 12% increase in cancer rate in 2020. Companies. Mobivic launched personal UPI payment link mpay.me. IAF has launched My IAS Pro for career option. Core sector production fell by 15%. For coal, 15.5%, oil 6%, natural gas 12%, refinery products 8.9%, fertilizers 4.2%, steel 33.8%, Siemens 6.9%, and electricity 11%. Nyai Malda Express train has started from Delhi to northeast. Kone Kone Umeed has been started by Kotak, UK to issue a coin on Gandhiji for his contribution on Black, Asian and other minorities. Snooker Championship 2020 winner Ronnie O'Sullivan. Ronnie O'Sullivan of England defeated Kieran Wilson. Tanner Whitehouse is a process for identifying the bone age of sportsmen. Rajat Bhatia resigned from domestic cricket. Cameron White retired as Australian cricketer. Sunil Chetri 2019 Asian Cup's favourite defeated Uzbekistan. Mohitombo Singh, a footballer, died recently. India withdraws from squash competition to be held in Kuala Lumpur. Lewis Hamilton won British Grand Prix. Ashok Mustafi, coach of Ganguly, died recently. Sports journalist G.K. Menon passes away. UEFA Championship League was won by Bayern Munich. Usain Bolt beats all record by covering 19.9 meter in 100 meter in 9.5 seconds. Thank you.